How to start affiliate marketing easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. Now, affiliate marketing is such a lucrative way still to make money, and a lot of people dismiss affiliate marketing as a thing of the past. However, affiliate marketing is more popular now than ever because affiliate marketing has now evolved itself. It has become quite different as it initially was, and the basics remain the same. So let's get started. How to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is choose your marketing platform. So where are you going to get your affiliate marketing links from? What types of products do you want to promote? Now, there are three websites that I'm going to be showing you. First off, you have Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus is a platform that allows you to find different links that you can promote. Then you have Bluehost. Now, Bluehost is actually a different company. It is a company that provides hosting, domains, website building platforms, and so much more. However, they also have a affiliate team, and you get $65 for each sign up or referral that you generate. And that is why I really love the Bluehost affiliate program. You can easily join and you will get a $65 bonus. So I just really find it to be such a worthwhile conversion rate in terms of the money that you get with Bluehost. Even if you're able to get two people to sign up every day on Bluehost, you're going to earn $130 just by getting two people to sign up every day using Bluehost, and that is why I do recommend it so often. Digistore 24 is another affiliate marketing platform where they connect sellers and affiliates, where they have multiple different products on their marketplace, and you can simply just join their marketplace and find any affiliate that you would find appropriate. So let's just begin with Digistore 24, and you can just click on register now over here, and you will just have to enter your information such as your username, email, location, time zone, country, address, and some other personal details. And I already have an account, so I will just log on to my Digistore account. So once you have logged onto your Digistore account, this is going to be your dashboard. So over here, you can view this as a vendor or an affiliate. We're going to click on affiliate because that is what we are focusing on. That is what we are going to be looking for. And the first step to get started with affiliate marketing is to find your product. So you can see over here in your business cockpit, you can enter that, or you can simply go into the marketplace section on Digistore 24, and from here you will see multiple different products that you can choose to promote. So on the left side of your screen, you're going to find different product categories as well as the top performing products. And the first thing that I recommend to most people is don't try to promote a product if you don't really understand the niche at all. So there are certain products anyone can promote, like a t-shirt, there isn't, a lot of know-how that you need to have to promote a t-shirt. However, if you're promoting like a ketogenic weight loss plan, then you need to have some information, you need to have some know-how about the topic before you get started to promoting it. So make sure you keep in mind that you should have some knowledge about that specific item that you are promoting. Now, over here with your products, there are some other things you need to keep in mind when you are selecting the product, such as on the bottom of every product, you will get your conversion as well as cancellation rate. So even if something has a very high conversion rate, if the cancellation rate is super high, then you're not going to be actually getting any commission if the order that people place gets canceled. So that is why you need to keep that in mind. And you also need to see the rate of commission. So you can see you get 85% commission on this, and if it has a super low commission, then it might not be worth your while. But a thing like Tube Mastery and Monetization, this has a 50% commission rate, but the price for this is around $500, and 50% of that would still be $150. So that is also something to keep in mind whenever you are trying to, select a product for promoting on your platforms. Now, let's say that I want to promote Tube Mystery and Monetization. Now, you can see the average price, you can see the commission rate, you can see the different billing types as well as the card conversion and cancellation rate. The cancellation rate of this is 17.8%. However, the top product actually has a lower cancellation rate, which is Medicore, which is like a nutritional supplement. So maybe I want to get that instead. So keep that in mind whenever you are selecting a product. What is the cancellation cancellation rate, maybe a product like this would be more lucrative. So this has 65% commission, and you have Home Doctor. This has a cancellation rate of only 2.6%, but the average price is also pretty low. So the market average price is $47 and you get 75% in commission. So you get around $24 for each sale, which is still a amazing deal. So what I'm going to do to get this link is that you can just click on over here, and this will be the link that you have for your affiliate. You can just copy this and begin promoting. Now, you might be wondering that, okay, I got the promotion link. Now, how do I promote this affiliate product? Well, don't worry, there are several different marketing strategies that you can employ to promote a affiliate product. The first thing is that you can build your own website, but that could be a bit too time consuming, and a lot of people might not find it worthwhile to build an entire website to promote just one product. So what you can do is start promoting on social media platforms, and by that, the first thing I would focus on is TikTok. TikTok is an amazing platform to sell Amazon products, or any kind of product that is helpful and easy to sell is going to be found on TikTok. So if you just search for Amazon finds over here and click on videos, you can see there are so many different products that people are finding on Amazon. There are TikTok accounts like smart home gadgets, so you can create a simple TikTok account like gadgets or helpful things or something along those lines, and you can just use the stock videos that you get with these affiliate products and promote them, and just take a 3 or 4 second clip and post it on TikTok. And you can just enter some text like this product changed my life, or you can see this is the Home Doctor book that I'm trying to sell. So you can add something like a weight loss transformation, and you can be like, what helped me lose weight? And that is going to be an amazing way for you to be able to promote your affiliate products. Now, you might be wondering, hey, I want to upload these videos, but I don't know how to edit, or I don't know how to add text or all that. You can use a simple tool like Canva to get your videos edited. You can just simply upload the video. You can click on upload over here, and you can create a simple presentation style video if you want. You can upload your own video. You can add animated GIFs and so much more with their platform, and it's simple and easy to use for beginners as well. And you should also promote on Instagram. So post the same video that you posted on TikTok as a Instagram reel, and that will be another amazing way for you to be able to promote on social media, as well as you can promote on Twitter, Reddit, Quora. So a lot of the times people are asking questions on Quora and Reddit. So if someone is asking questions like, hey, I want to learn more about medicine, and something bad happened, and I was so fragile and I was so unable to handle a physical health issue, then you can be like, hey, you should check this book out, and this will help you in understanding some basics about medicine. So if you have any emergencies, you can just consult this book, and that is going to be a very effective way of organically getting more sales on your product. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to get started with affiliate marketing. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.